Welcome back to episode 2 of Google I/O series. Last episode, we explored Google Omni, and today, we're testing something that genuinely surprised me. Google Flow Music. Let's jump right in. We're starting by searching for Google Flow Music. After opening it, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. I've already done that, so let's skip straight to the fun part. For our first experiment, I'm going to keep things incredibly simple. No complicated instructions, no lyrics, just a single prompt. Let's see what happens. One important thing to know is that every generation uses credits. So writing a good prompt can actually save both time and credits. And it's ready. Let's hear it. That honestly sounds much better than I expected. From just one prompt, it created a complete instrumental track with a polished feel. But what if we don't want the AI to invent everything? What if we already have lyrics? Can it turn our own words into a real song? There's only one way to find out. I've already prepared some original lyrics. Let's paste them and let Google Flow Music handle the composition. It actually creates 2 different versions, giving you multiple interpretations of the same lyrics. That's a nice touch. And now, our song is ready. Let's listen.
My room. Bad days fading way too soon. Got my headphones, got my pace. Little smile back on my face.
This feels completely different. Instead of just background music, it actually transformed written words into a full musical performance. But I wanted to try one last experiment, and this one is probably the most interesting. What if I don't write any lyrics at all? I'm only going to describe an idea. That's it. No verses, no chorus, nothing. Let's see if Google Flow Music can handle the rest. While it's generating, remember that this entire process is happening from a simple description. Not only did it compose the music, it also generated the lyrics completely on its own.
दीवार पर चलती है धूप की लकीर, आंखों में हल्की चुभन पर सुकून है। दीवार पर चलती है धूप की लकीर, आंखों में हल्की चुभान पर सुकून है।
This was episode 2 of the Google I/O series. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to stay tuned because we'll be testing more of Google's latest AI tools in future episodes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.